Hello everybody, time for another video. Same setup as before, which means I have 14 of these coils with about 1 inch gap here and with welding rods as a core, and they are connected 7 plus 7, which means 7 in parallel in series with 7 in parallel. And the terminals of this is this one and this one. Okay. And here I have the capacitors that will make resonance at about 247 hertz. You can read the hertz. No, you can't. But here you have the hertz, just about, with two significant figures, and this is the voltage across the coil. This is the voltage across the battery, and this will be the voltage across a resistor in series with the battery, so we can see the current. Okay. Now I will connect the capacitor to the coil, and to say if I do it in parallel or in series doesn't really matter. It's just two components that get connected. You can't fail. It's both parallel and serial. So let's see what happens to the voltage across the coil as I connect the capacitor. So this will eventually climb to 270 volts or so. Okay. And now I will connect the bridge rectifier across the coil, that is in parallel with the coil. It is, and the output from the bridge rectifier goes via this resistor to the battery. Okay. So now I connect the bridge rectifier in parallel with the coil and the capacitor, like that. Okay. And now I disconnect the capacitor so we don't have resonance. Like that. Okay. Not resonance. Now it's just the coil and the battery through the rectifier and the resistor to show the current. Okay. And now I'll put the capacitor to get resonance like that. Okay. But here's the fun part. To connect the rectifier across the coil and the capacitor in parallel, that gives you voltage. Okay. So now I'll disconnect, and now I will connect the rectifier in series with the capacitor and the coil, and we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go, like that. Now we get current. Now I think I will disconnect here to save my battery. So, that was fun. Thanks for watching.